We are going to unbox one of my favorite products. This is the Gravel Layover Travel Blanket. You have seen me listed in all of my recommended shopping hauls, and I think it makes a great gift. So I wanted to show you. All right, this is the extra large black layover blanket. You can see how it comes packaged. It has its very own carrying bag. So I got this for Noah for Christmas, so don't tell him. But again, a little travel carrying case. I got him the extra large because he's over 6 feet tall, and I thought this might suit him better. So you can see it has these snaps. It's got snaps all along the way, so you can customize the fit. So let me orient myself here. Let me find the shoe pockets. All right, so here are the shoe pockets. I know it's black, so it's hard to see down in there, but your feet would go into here. I meant foot pocket, not shoe pocket. But you can make it one long. If you don't like your feet confined, you can unsnap this, and then you'll just have this huge opening to put your feet in it. But I'm going to snap it because it helps me figure out where everything is. Okay, so this is the side that's going to be against your body. So the shoe pockets are actually going to be facing you. And then also, you're going to have this kangaroo pocket, keep your hands warm. It has a zipper. So if you want to put your phone and your earbuds and all that stuff down in here, your passport, it also has a loop here because the entire thing can fold up into this and make yourself a little headrest. So let's go ahead and do that so you can see what that looks like. I just keep feeding it in like that. And then the zipper comes on this side. So get the string tag out of there. Close it up. That could hang from a carabiner clip from your backpack or your suitcase. And then this side has the felt on it because this is the inside of the pocket where you can put your earbuds and your glasses and things like that. But when it's a pillow, it's soft. So when it comes at your skin, it doesn't aggravate your skin. All right, so let's unzip this. I do think this is the #1 travel gift to give because it fits everybody. It's a one size fits all. It's useful. You don't use it just for travel. You can use it at home. You don't use it just for airline travel. You can use it for any type of travel. And you can customize this fit. So for instance, I'm going to snap this here. And that fits over my head like that. So if I want to cover my entire body with this blanket, I have that and room to spare. If I want to tighten it, I just go up a snap. Here's one here. And this one here. And then just fit it over like that. And if you don't want to mess your hair up or whatever, you're sitting in a plane, you'll just snap it like that. All right, so as you can see, plenty shoe pockets. And then under here, got my kangaroo pocket that I told you about. It hits about right here. Super comfortable, super comfortable. Give you an idea how much is left. So if you wanted to wrap it and snap it here, see if I can do this behind my back. This would be amazing. Oh, look at that. So you can snap it around yourself. Got my inside pockets here. Could rest easily. Unsnap it. And you can snap this together with another one. So if you're car camping or van camping or at the beach or something, and you want to share a blanket, and each of you have one, you can snap them both together, make a large blanket. for sharing. So I think this is a wonderful, I think it's the #1 travel gift, honestly, because you can give it to anyone. It comes in 3 or 4 different colors. It washes up beautifully. I have washed and dried mine several times. I have the original one. This is the extra large one. I think both are great, whichever one you want to pick out. I got the extra large because my son is tall, but I absolutely love it. So I highly recommend that you give the Gravel Layover Travel Blanket. Give it a try. I think you'll really like it. We'll keep bringing you interesting things that we use and we find value in. And so I hope I see you in the next one. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.